Add natural movement and texture to your bristle brushes with wave settings. These controls make each bristle subtly shift in size and impasto along the stroke, just like real paint catching and releasing on a canvas. Wavelength lets you control how long each bristle wave cycle is. With lower values, you get short, frequent changes. With higher values, you paint longer, flowing transitions along the stroke. The wavelength of the bristles within your stroke can be randomized. At low values, there is little randomness. All bristles change evenly and predictably. As the value increases, variations in wavelength start to occur, creating a more organic, painterly feel. Set how thin a bristle can get at the narrowest point of its wave. Lower values create sharper tapers and finer strands, while a thicker, chunkier bristle texture can be achieved with maximum values. Together, these settings create strokes that feel alive, with depth, variation, and that imperfect beauty of real bristles.